Book launch poster should be elegant, creative, and engaging. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a professional book launch poster in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create an A3 poster canvas or 300 dpi for print quality. Use a subtle gradient or texture background. Import the book cover image in high resolution. Position it at the center or side with a shadow reflection effect. Add a bold headline like book launch. Use classic sans serif or elegant font for literacy feel. Insert a tagline like unveiling a journey of words. Add event details, date, time, and venue. Highlight the author name with stylish typography. Add a photo of the author. Use decorative elements like pens, ink,